Good morning, students. 7th class science, we have started chapter number 5, acids, bases, and salts. Firstly, we have read about the acids. What are acids? The substances which are sour in taste, that substances are called acids. Now we will read about bases. Before starting the acids, we have done one activity. In that activity 1, we have tasted many substances, and all that substances was of different taste. We have seen that the substances such as baking soda, washing soda, that was bitter in taste, and their solution have soapy touch. Soapy touch means when we was touching to them, then we are feeling that we are touching any soap. Why they are bitter in taste and why they are soapy to touch? This is because these substances are basic in nature. If they will ask a question that why some substances are bitter in taste or why some substances are soapy to touch, then what will be the answer? Because that substances are basic in nature. So this way also we can write its definition: the substances that are bitter in taste and soapy to touch, that are called bases. Bases which are soluble in water. What is the meaning of soluble? Soluble means dissolve, or you can say mix. Which bases can dissolve in water, that bases are called alkalis. And which are alkalis? Sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, that are called alkalis. Why? Because that are bases also and that can dissolve in water also, so that are called alkalis. Alkalis are corrosive in nature and harmful to skin. Means it can rust to anything and it can be harmful to for our skin. Depending on their nature, bases are classified into two types. Bases are of two types. What are that? Weak bases and strong bases. Like in acids also we have done two types of acids: natural acids and mineral acid. There we have done that natural acids are weak acids and mineral acids are strong acids. Same way here, bases are also of two types: weak bases and strong bases. First is strong bases. They are given some examples like sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, barium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, and sodium carbonate. These are the strong bases. Weak bases: aluminium hydroxide, copper hydroxide, ammonium hydroxide. These are the weak bases. Uses of bases now we will read. First base is sodium hydroxide, which also we are saying caustic soda, and its formula is NaOH. What are its uses? It is used in preparation of soap, in the detergent industries. You all know about what is soap and what is detergent. For the manufacturing of rayon. What is rayon? It is a type of cloth. For the manufacturing of rayon also we are using sodium hydroxide. In paper and pulp industries, paper, you all know, you are using paper. What is pulp? It is also a special type of paper which we are getting from the wood. For the manufacturing of other chemicals, many other chemicals can also be prepared by the sodium hydroxide. Next is calcium hydroxide. It is used for whitewashing. What is whitewashing? At home, which painting we are doing, that is called whitewashing. For manufacturing of bleaching powder, to prepare the bleaching powder. In the leather industries, for neutralizing the acidity of the soil. Sometimes which soil is there that contains large amount of acid, that is not good for the proper growth of the plants. In that, then we are adding calcium hydroxide base so that it becomes neutral. For softening of hard water. Hard water, what is hard water? In which soap cannot dissolve properly, or soap which cannot clean our clothes properly, that is hard water. For softening the hard water we are using calcium hydroxide. Next is ammonium hydroxide. It is used as a cleansing agent, means for cleaning anything, for the preparing of ammonium salts. Next, aluminium hydroxide for preparing antacids. What are antacid? Which can finish the effect of acidity. Sometimes in we are feeling acidity, then we are taking tablets that are antacid tablets. For preparation of that antacids, what we are using? Aluminium hydroxide. In textile industries, means for making the clothes, for making the different types of fibers, what we are using? Aluminium hydroxide. Next is magnesium hydroxide. It is also used for making the antacid formulation. Antacid tablets can be mixed with the magnesium hydroxide. Thank you.